She has blank to the market. Go, went, gone. The keyword here is has. After has or have, use verb 3. Go, went, gone. Go is verb 1, went is verb 2, and gone is verb 3. So gone is the correct answer here. She has gone to the market. And has gone to the market here means she went and still there. She didn't come back. Messi is the blank football player. Good, better, best. We use good when we talk about only one, only Messi. So we say Messi is good. But we use better when we compare between Messi and another player, like Ronaldo. We say Messi is better than Ronaldo. But we say best when we compare between Messi and all players in the world. Messi is the best in the world. And remember, we use than after better, and we use the before best. Here we have the, and you know the best, so this is the answer, best. Messi is the best football player. Here I compare between Messi and all football players. You answer this one. I have blank you at the mall today. See, saw, seen. See is verb 1, saw is verb 2, seen is verb 3. So what comes after have, guys? Follow this rule and answer. While we blank TV, my father was reading a book. Watched, was watching, were watching. The keyword here is while. While, guys, is followed by the past continuous tense. Was or were plus ing. So we need to choose between was or were. We takes were, so this is the answer. While we were watching TV, my father was reading a book. And that means that the two actions were happening at the same time in the past. Was watching TV, action 1, reading a book, action 2. And the word while shows that the two actions were continuous at the same time. Also, while could come in the middle of a sentence, like here, while, and it's also followed by the past continuous. Was or were plus ing. I takes was, so this is the answer. My father was reading a book while I was watching TV. Mom was cooking, action 1. I was doing my homework, action 2. And this action is in the past continuous tense. And you know, guys, while is followed by the past continuous tense, so we use while here. While mom was cooking, I was doing my homework. You blank to see a doctor. Should, ought. Well, should and ought have the same meaning. You can say you should study, and you can say you ought to study. The only difference is should is followed by the verb, only the verb, no to, and ought needs to. And since you have to here, so ought is the answer. You ought to see a doctor, and it means you should see a doctor. We should blank healthy food. Eat, to eat, eating. Should, guys, does it take the verb, or to plus the verb, or the verb plus ing? Well, look at this example again and answer. Don't look at blank, sun or the sun. The word sun, does it take the or not? How many suns do we have? Only one. How many moons do we have? Only one. So we say the sun and we say the moon. We use the with a thing when it's unique, when there's only one of it in the world. Another example, the sky, because there's only one sky in the world. And we can also say the world, okay? So the answer here is the sun. Don't look at the sun. How blank is your sister? And the answer is 7 years old. Much, many, old. Well, we say how much, how many, how old. We say how much when we ask about a price, and we say how many when we ask about the number of something, and we say how old when we ask about the age of something or someone. The answer here is 7 years old, so we're asking about the age, so we ask with how old. How old is your sister? 7 years old. My brother and blank wife live in Spain. Her or his? So we use her to refer to a female or a girl, and we use his to refer to a male or a boy. We have here my brother, who is a male or a boy, and wife, who is a female. So which one do we follow? Well, her and his follow the person that comes before them. So we need to look back. What comes before here? My brother, who is a male. So we use his here. My brother and his wife live in Spain. You do this one. How blank is your bag? And the answer is $70, which is a price. How many, how much, how old? Which one asks about the price, guys? Follow this rule and answer. Blank you work here, do or have. To answer this question, you need to look at the main verb. If it's the base verb, use do. If it has ing, use are. If it's verb 3, use have. This is work, not working, not worked. So it's the base verb. So we use do here. Do you work here? Blank you seen a line before, do or have. Again, we use do with the base verb or verb 1, or with the ing form, and have with verb 3. So the verb here is seen, and we say see, saw, seen verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. So seen is verb 3. So we use have here. Have you seen a lion before? What blank you reading? Do or have? Again, do for the base verb, or for the ing, have for verb 3. The verb here is reading with ing, and with ing we use are. What are you reading? Clear, guys? So always remember that do comes with the base verb or verb 1, have comes with verb 3, and are comes with the ing. Blank, talk to John. He's very busy. Don't, no, not. Listen, guys, when we order someone to do something, we start with the verb. We say, open the door, wash the car. But when we ask someone not to do something, we start with don't. Don't open the door. Don't wash the car. So don't is the correct answer here. Don't talk to John. Blank was very nice. They, you, she. The keyword here is was. Was is the past of be. Be in the past is was or were. We use was with I, he, she, it. And we use were with they, we, you. Which of these take was? She takes was. So this is the answer. She was very nice. I blank very happy when I saw her. Was, were. I. Does it take was or were, guys? Look at this rule again and answer. It started blank at 5 a.m. Rain, to rain, raining. Well, you need to know the rule of the verb started. Is it followed by the verb, or to plus the verb, or ing? Well, the rule says the verbs start, begin, love, like, hate. These verbs are followed by to plus the verb, or the verb plus ing. So to rain is correct. Raining is also correct. Both of them are correct. You can say it started to rain at 5 a.m. or it started raining at 5 a.m. Is blank your car? These, those, that. Well, we use these and those with plural nouns, more than one. We say these cars, those cars, but that car, only one car here. And since we have only one car here, so we use that. Is that your car? Thank you for watching.